Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to play Please Donate on Roblox without Robux. So since if you have entered your game, then you just need to look for any empty stand, and I'm going to show you how to play. So first of all, to claim any stand, you must have created some game pass or some items like shirt, pant or t-shirt. So if you have created already, then you can claim any stand here. So like this is my stand and I want to claim this stand. Just hold this, uh, he is disturbing me, so just hold this button and your donation button will be listed here. So all the items you have created here will be listed here. So you don't need any robux to play this game. You can stand here, or you can list your item here. If someone purchase your items or purchase your donation buttons, then you will get robux. So you don't actually need to robux to play this game. And if you don't know how to create items that are going to list here, so that's my stand. Which one is that? Yeah, this is my stand. So if you don't know how to create these buttons, these donation buttons, then actually you just need to create items like game passes. So in to create game pass, you don't need actually robux, but when you create pants, t-shirt or shirts, then to put it up for the sale you need some robux. Like if you create a t-shirt, then it will ask you to pay 10 robux for the sale and for the setup and please donate. But if you create a game pass, then you don't need any robux. You just need to create a game pass and set the price, and you just need to put or you just need to put here like I did. So yeah, that's how you play your please donate without robux actually. So hope you like it, hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And if you don't know how to create a game passes or a t-shirt, shirts or a pen, then items that you can list here, then you can watch my videos, and you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.